Welcome! My name is Susan, and I'll be your teacher here at Booked Up English. I'm happy to see you here. We will speak using present simple tense. Try to repeat after me. Let's go. Desk. What do you have? I have a desk. I have a desk. Pencil. What do you have? I have a pencil. I have a pencil. Paper. What do you have? I have paper. I have paper. Desk. What do you have? I don't have a desk. I don't have a desk. Pencil. What do you have? I don't have a pencil. I don't have a pencil. Paper. What do you have? I don't have paper. I don't have paper. What do you have? Let me know in the comments. Great job today. See you next week for more school words.